The admin section in Firm360 is the control center for your firm's system settings, user access, and overall configuration. Users with the admin role enabled have access to these additional tabs here in the black ribbon, allowing them to manage system settings and configurations that affect the entire firm. This includes managing users and permissions, customizing workflows and templates, configuring integrations, and setting up payment processing. Multiple users can be assigned the admin role within their user profiles, giving your firm flexibility in determining who oversees system management and operational controls. It is important that admin access is assigned thoughtfully. The tools available here allow you to tailor Firm360 to match your firm's structure, processes, and security requirements. This first section here in the admin section is the Users tab. The Users tab lets you manage all accounts in your Firm360 subscription, create new users, edit their details, assign roles, and control access status. You will see here a list of users in my demo account. Next to each user, you can see what location they are associated with if you support multiple office locations, a quick glance at their roles, whether they have their multi-factor authentication enabled or not, and a quick glance at their last login activity. Next to each user, all the way on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see an Edit button and the Action drop-down. The Action drop-down will simply allow you to reset this user's password or reassign any items that are assigned to them within the system. By clicking Edit, you will be able to edit your user's first name, last name, their mobile phone number, the location they are assigned to. You can reset their MFA here if they're having trouble or forgot their cell phone at home. You can also reassign or initially assign user roles to this employee. It is important that you read through all user roles using this link here to ensure that correct roles are assigned to this employee. If you have an employee leave your firm, simply uncheck the activated button here to remove their access to the platform without deleting any history. Admin users also have access to settings. This is where firm-wide controls are located. Here you will find a detailed and extensive list of settings. Please review these carefully with your team and direct any questions you might have to your assigned onboarding specialist. It is particularly important to really hone in on these invoice settings to the left and personalization options to the right. Your onboarding specialist is happy to review these in further detail with you during a future training session. Under Settings, you will find Customizations. The customizations in Firm360 allows admin users to tailor the system to match their firm's workflows, terminology, and service structure. Throughout the remaining videos in this training series, you will often hear me refer to things that you can find in customizations. This is where you configure items such as project templates, client custom fields, billable types and categories, entity types. The list goes on and on. Instead of adjusting processes manually for each client or project, customizations lets you define standards once and apply them consistently across the system. This helps streamline onboarding, improve reporting accuracy, and ensure your team follows uniform processes. In short, This customization section is where you shape Firm360 to reflect how your firm operates. The integration section in Firm360 allows admin users to connect the platform with other tools your firm already uses. To find a complete list of integration opportunities, please use the link provided in your training material. We'll work closely with your data import specialist to enable and set up integrations that apply to you. The last section we're going to talk about under admin today is the payment section. The payment section in Firm360 allows admin users to configure and manage how the firm accepts online payments from clients. This is where you will come to connect to a Stripe account, enabling credit card or ACH processing and controlling payment-related settings tied to invoices. In short, the payment section enables your firm to modernize its billing process by integrating secure online payment capabilities directly into your invoicing system.